Do you feel like you don't speak enough Danish? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and Fluency Fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account. Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
Hvad laver du? Jeg er kunstner.
Listen to it again, now with the English translation.
Hvad laver du?
What do you do?
Jeg er kunstner.
I'm an artist. First of all, you need to learn how to say, what do you do? That's.
Hvad laver du?
Listen to it again.
Hvad laver du? Hvad laver du?
Now, how do you answer this question? This is the pattern you'll need.
Jeg er.
Your occupation. This Danish sentence literally translates into I am occupation without the article, but it means I'm an occupation in English. For example, I'm an artist.
Jeg er kunstner. Jeg er kunstner.
Now, listen to some examples.
Hvad laver du? Jeg er lærer. Hvad laver du? Jeg er læge. Hvad laver du? Jeg er ingeniør.
Listen to the dialogue.
Hvordan har din mor det? Hun har det godt.
Once more with the English translation.
Hvordan har din mor det?
How's your mother?
Hun har det godt.
She's fine. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, how's your mother? That's.
Hvordan har din mor det?
Listen to it again.
Hvordan har din mor det? Hvordan har din mor det?
This Danish sentence literally means, how has your mother it? But it translates as, how's your mother in English? Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is,
Hun har det.
state of well-being. This Danish sentence literally means, she has it, but it translates as, she is state of well-being in English. For example, she's fine.
Hun har det godt. Hun har det godt.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Hvordan har din mor det? Hun har det fantastisk. Hvordan har din mor det? Hun har det nogenlunde. Hvordan har din mor det? Hun har det ikke godt.
Listen to the dialogue.
Hvad er der galt?
Kontoret er varmt.
Once more with the English translation.
Hvad er der galt?
What's the matter?
Kontoret er varmt.
The office is hot. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what's the matter? That's.
Hvad er der galt?
Listen to it again.
Hvad er der galt? Hvad er der galt?
What's the matter? Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
Kontoret er.
adjective The office is adjective. For example, the office is hot.
Kontoret er varmt. Kontoret er varmt.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Hvad er der galt? Kontoret er koldt. Hvad er der galt? Kontoret er støjende. Hvad er der galt? Kontoret er beskidt.
Listen to the dialogue.
Hvordan siger man dette?
Man siger parkeringsplads.
Once more with the English translation.
Hvordan siger man dette?
How do you say this?
Man siger parkeringsplads.
It's parking lot. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, how do you say this? That's,
Hvordan siger man dette?
listen to it again.
Hvordan siger man dette? Hvordan siger man dette?
This Danish sentence literally translates into, how does one say this? But it means, how do you say this in English? Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
Man siger,
word. This Danish sentence literally translates into, one says word, but it means, it's word. For example, it's parking lot.
man siger parkeringsplads. Man siger parkeringsplads.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Hvordan siger man dette?
Man siger hund.
Hvordan siger man dette?
Man siger rejse.
Hvordan siger man dette?
Man siger morgen.
Now, if you're wondering how to remember these words forever so that you can start speaking more and more, here's how. 1. Review them with our spaced repetition flashcards. Our flashcards will drill these words into your long-term memory. 2. Save the words to our word bank, your personal collection of words, where you can print out physical study sheets. And 3. Watch our looped vocabulary slideshows on repeat until you understand every word. You'll find these tools inside our learning program. Just click the link in the description to get them.
Listen to the dialogue.
Hvad er dit yndlingstal? Det er 7.
Once more with the English translation.
Hvad er dit yndlingstal?
What's your favorite number?
Det er 7.
It's 7. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what's your favorite number? That's,
Hvad er dit yndlingstal?
listen to it again.
Hvad er dit yndlingstal? Hvad er dit yndlingstal?
Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
Det er
number. It's number. For example, it's 7.
Det er 7. Det er 7.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Hvad er dit yndlingstal? Det er 2. Hvad er dit yndlingstal? Det er 4. Hvad er dit yndlingstal? Det er 9.
Listen to the dialogue.
Hvilken slags film kan du godt lide?
Jeg kan godt lide gyserfilm.
Once more with the English translation.
Hvilken slags film kan du godt lide?
What kind of movies do you like?
Jeg kan godt lide gyserfilm.
I like horror movies. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what kind of movies do you like? That's,
Hvilken slags film kan du godt lide?
listen to it again.
Hvilken slags film kan du godt lide? Hvilken slags film kan du godt lide?
This Danish sentence literally translates as, what kind movies can you well like? But it means, what kind of movies do you like? Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is,
Jeg kan godt lide.
type of movie. This Danish sentence literally translates as, I can well like type of movie. But it means, I like type of movie. For example, I like horror movies.
Jeg kan godt lide gyserfilm. Jeg kan godt lide gyserfilm.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Hvilken slags film kan du godt lide? Jeg kan godt lide komediefilm. Hvilken slags film kan du godt lide? Jeg kan godt lide fantasyfilm. Hvilken slags film kan du godt lide? Jeg kan godt lide kærlighedsfilm.
Listen to the dialogue.
Hvad skal du lave i påsken?
Jeg planlægger at tage på stranden.
Once more with the English translation.
Hvad skal du lave i påsken?
What are you doing for Easter?
Jeg planlægger at tage på stranden.
I'm planning to go to the beach. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what are you doing for Easter? That's,
Hvad skal du lave i påsken?
listen to it again.
Hvad skal du lave i påsken? Hvad skal du lave i påsken?
This Danish sentence literally translates as, what shall you do in Easter? But it means, what are you doing for Easter? Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is,
Jeg planlægger at.
plan. This Danish sentence literally translates as, I plan to plan, but it means I'm planning to plan. For example, I'm planning to go to the beach.
Jeg planlægger at tage på stranden. Jeg planlægger at tage på stranden.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat, or speak along with the native speakers.
Hvad skal du lave i påsken?
Jeg planlægger at rejse.
Hvad skal du lave i påsken?
Jeg planlægger at blive hjemme.
Hvad skal du lave i påsken?
Jeg planlægger at gå i biografen.
Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
Hej, jeg vil gerne tale med den ansvarlige.
Ja, lige et øjeblik.
Once more with the English translation.
Hej, jeg vil gerne tale med den ansvarlige.
Hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
Ja, lige et øjeblik.
Okay, just a moment. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say hello on the phone. That's,
Hej. Hej.
then you'll need to learn how to say, I'd like to speak with person. The pattern is
Jeg vil gerne tale med.
person. This Danish sentence literally translates as, I will like speak with person, but it means I'd like to speak with person. For example, hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
Hej, jeg vil gerne tale med den ansvarlige. Hej, jeg vil gerne tale med den ansvarlige.
Now, how do you answer this question?
Ja, lige et øjeblik.
Okay, just a moment. Listen to it again.
Ja, lige et øjeblik. Ja, lige et øjeblik.
This Danish sentence literally translates as, yes, just a moment, but it means, okay, just a moment. Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Jeg vil gerne tale med en salgsrepræsentant.
Ja, lige et øjeblik.
Jeg vil gerne tale med chefen.
Ja, lige et øjeblik.
Jeg vil gerne tale med kundeservice.
Ja, lige et øjeblik.
Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the word bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.